Hey everyone, I'm wygowarrior, aka Julie. Welcome to my channel. If you've stopped by because you're curious what comes in the July 2022 AIA Beauty Bundle, then you're in the right place and keep on watching. Alright, this sucker weighs a ton. I cannot remember the name of the brand. However, I do know this is a hair care product box. Yay me. I did see an email which revealed who the brand was and that it was hair care. Do I remember anything? No. All right, enough speculation and rambling. Let's just cut into the box and see who the brand is and what items they sent. If anyone is new to what AIA Beauty Bundle is all about, this is a beauty subscription which now comes monthly. The retail price is, it went up. I want to say $35 a month, and it is curated every month by a different brand or influencer, typically a brand. Last month was Purlisse. In the past, we've had Keys Soul Care, ColourPop, Lorella. So that makes it different than other beauty subscription boxes where you get items from various brands. This will be all from a single brand. All right, they do provide a card that has the prices and products. There's a little spoiler. So the brand is Beachwaver. If anyone's new, welcome. Feel free to subscribe and click the like button while you're here. I have very short hair, as you can see. Therefore, hair care products, not the best for me to receive. Certain ones I love and enjoy. But anything that's for heat protectant, straightening, blah, 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 just because I don't do that. And the reason I went on that ramble is when I saw Beachwaver. Isn't Beachwaver, don't they make that weird curling iron that has like it's like massive? They make something. I don't know. I really don't follow hair care trends. As one can obviously see. All right, I'm rambling again. Let's grab the first item. This here is Good Vibes Moisturizing Shampoo. I swear to God, I already own this. Oh, why do I already own that? Oh my goodness, interesting. There are no prices on this card. Every other time I've unboxed this, it gives the prices. I'm going to have to go look stuff up. When I leave to go find this product that I swear I already own, I'm going to look up the prices. All right, next item. Okay, yay, we got the matching pair. This here is the Good Vibes Moisturizing Conditioner with coconut oil. The shampoo has coconut milk. Ooh, does that mean they smell like coconut? Just because I own them already doesn't mean I've used them yet. Oh, they're safety sealed, but I can smell the coconut. That's going to be fantastic. And each of these is 8 fluid ounces or 236 ml. All right, next item. Speaking of products I don't use, this here is the Great Barrier Heat Protectant Hairspray. Oh, but it's a hairspray. Sometimes I use hairsprays. Not often. But why is it a heat protectant? Don't you curl your hair and then after you use heat stuff, then you put hairspray? Leave me a comment if anyone puts hairspray before you start using your heating tools. I'm curious what the spritzer is like. All right. Does it have a scent? Ooh, that is so delicious. You're going to ask me to describe it? You know I can't do that. It's sweet, candy, fruity, yummy goodness. Oh, I don't know what that smells like, but just for the smell alone, I'm keeping this sucker. I don't care if I don't use heat protectant. If it gives a little texture. What's hard, so it has this interesting, like, where you twist it to open, but even when I twist it, it doesn't always like to spray out. All right, moving along, because I can play with that hairspray forever just to smell it. All right, next item. What is this? By the way, there's wording on here. It's so faint. This is Second Chance. Ooh, it's a dry shampoo. I looked down because I'm like, where's the lid or the top? All right, let's hopefully this can get back on without me spritzing it all over the place. All right, let's test the spritzer and see what the scent of this guy is all about. Why is this so hard to... There we go. I think it has the same scent, or else I'm picking up that same scent from my hand. Oh my goodness. If that's the case, I use dry shampoo the most out of any hair care product. Well, I shampoo and conditioner. These push button thingies are hard to use. All right, now that I got more volume. All right, let me just fix my hair. Good as it's gonna get. All right, and now the last item. I don't know what is it. I can read the words. Okay, so this says BRB Blonde Purple Shampoo. What is a purple shampoo? Does this color your hair? Wait, let me get out my little friend because this one is intriguing me. All right, so it says reduces brassy tones in blonde and silver hair. Infused with Tahitian Manoi flower for nourishment, shea butter for moisture, and high bond multipliers to strengthen your hair while toning. Ooh. Well, I'm strawberry blonde-ish, and it just so happens tomorrow I'm getting my hair cut and colored, and I always go a little blonde highlights. So maybe, I don't know. I will have to ask the hairstylist what a purple shampoo is all about. By the way, is it actually purple? Oh, well, it looks purple through the plastic. Leave me a comment if you've ever heard of such a thing or used such a product. All right, very interesting. Let's recap everything that came in the box. Got a purple shampoo, a heat protectant hairspray, a moisturizing shampoo, a moisturizing conditioner, and a dry shampoo. What are your thoughts? My thoughts are, considering how much I normally don't care for hair care products, I'm going to use just about everything in this box. Oh, guess what? I'm an idiot. There are prices. They're just really tiny. So let me recap how much everything cost. The dry shampoo retails for $26 and you get 5.4 fluid ounces or 219 ml. The heat protectant hairspray retails for $28 and you get 8.3 fluid ounces or 313 ml. The shampoo retails for $20. The conditioner retails for $20. The purple shampoo, which is less product than the other shampoo, but retails for $8 more, is $28 and you only get 6 fluid ounces or 177 ml. You better have some magical potions in there. I'm going to list the MSRP total value of these products. I'm curious why we only got 5 items. These must be bougie or pricier. Now, I am disappointed. This purple shampoo I may use. However, they said it's for blonde or gray hair. So that right there just is limited to maybe 25% of the market. Everyone with brown and black hair, which is a lot of people in the world, they can't use this. So to me, that this is very specific and should not be in a box that's sent to a broad audience. Do you guys agree? I mean, I may be able to use it, but if you have black or brown hair and you got this, what a waste. All right, let me go grab the shampoo and conditioner that I think is this same product or similar product from the same brand. Yes, I do have the exact same product from the same brand. But what that means for you is that I can put this into one of my 1K giveaways. Speaking of 1K giveaways, I am very close to hitting 1K. So I'm going to be doing a dedicated 1K giveaway video. However, for those who watch and support me and watch to the ends of my video, I want to give you extra chances to win. So for today's extra chance, please leave the emoji of a sun wearing sunglasses. Don't mention anything about a giveaway or being entered. Just leave your normal comment, like the video, and put that emoji somewhere in your comment. Okay, leave me your thoughts and comments. What did you think about this box? Do you think it's worth $35? Did you enjoy the products that were sent? Have you heard of this brand? And have you tried any of their products before? If so, let me know. All right, I want to thank each and every one of you for stopping by. I really do appreciate it. If you haven't done so by now, I would love if you would subscribe. For those who have, thank you so much. Remember to click the bell icon so you can be notified of future videos. And if you could do me a huge favor and click that thumbs up, it really does help with my channel to grow. All right, thanks everyone.